Okay, so this is for finishing up your portfolio and Google Slides presentation. You're going to be getting an email which tells you which assignments that you need to submit, and those will be the only ones. If you happen to have something that's awesome, please submit awesomeness. But minus that, we're looking for these. And remember that we're looking for a title of what that is, so meaning colored logos with text for the first one. And then all of your work is digital for the most part. So you're going to put either digital drawing, Adobe Illustrator. It could be a plain drawing for some of the last ones. It could be light paintings. Okay, so you're going to find the email, which will list those assignments. Then you're going to go into Canvas, find your class, and make sure you're showing by type. You're going to find that assignment. I know that Proko Hair Drawing is one of them. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to look under the file. It says download, and it says JPEG. Okay, that means it's a JPEG. I just need to download that. I will find it in my downloads, and that can be uploaded to a Google Slides presentation without any problem. If you go into an assignment, however, like the ears, and it says, download logo.ai. That's Adobe Illustrator. That's a problem. Now, I am going to download that file. Not a problem. Okay? But I can't open that file. It's not going to work. Okay? So what you're going to have to do is it'll still be in your downloads. So you go to the little circle thingy, and you type in downloads. I go to my downloads. And in this case, that was the Peru logo. I am going to have to find it, which could take a moment. There we go. There we go. Peru logo. Okay. And you're going to want to right-click, or in this case with Chromebooks, 2 fingers down and click, which will give you options so that you'll be able to share it with me. Mine doesn't go directly to the Google Drive as saving. This is saved on my desktop, so I can't do that. So you need to share any Adobe Illustrator files with me. Okay. I will send them back to you, and they'll be in JPEG format. Then you'll be able to upload them for your presentation. There we go.